Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to bring your videos to life with perfectly timed sound effects, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through how to add crisp, impactful sound effects to your videos right inside Canva, even if you've never used audio before or don't know where to start. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just how to insert sound effects, but also how to find the right ones that elevate your projects and make them pop. So let's jump straight in and get creative. First thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. Once you're there, click on Create up at the top. We want to make sure we're starting with a video project, so select Video from the options. Canva will then show you a range of video templates. Think of these as your storyboards. They give you a head start and make your video look polished, even if you're not a pro editor. Go ahead and click on any video template that matches the vibe you're going for, whether it's a vlog intro, a product demo, or even just a fun slideshow for social media. Remember, you can always tweak the visuals later. Right now, we're just getting our canvas set up. Now on the left side of your Canva workspace, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Find and click on the audio section there. This is essentially Canva's library of music tracks, sound effects, and other audio goodies. It's like walking into a music shop, but everything is organized and ready for you to test out. Once you're in the audio panel, you'll see a handy search bar at the top. Type in sound effect or even get more specific, like typing pop, whoosh, or bell, depending on what you need for your video moment. For example, if you have a scene where something pops up on screen, search for pop sound effects. Canva will return a range of audio clips, and you'll notice each one has a little music note icon, the symbol for sound effects built right into Canva's library. This is the fun part. Preview different sound effects by clicking the play icon next to each one. Don't rush this step, listen for a moment and imagine how each effect would feel in your video. The right sound effect can transform an ordinary edit into something memorable. If you're not sure which one to pick, trust your instincts. Pick the one that makes you smile or grabs your attention. And don't worry, you can always swap them out later if the vibe isn't quite right. Once you've found the sound effect that fits, it's time to bring it into your project. Simply click and drag the sound effect directly onto your video timeline. This works a lot like moving a sticker onto a notebook page. It's that easy. You can then move it along the timeline to align with specific moments in your video. For example, if you want a swoosh sound right as an image flies in, just drag the effect to that exact spot. Take a little time to play with the timing. The right placement can really sell the moment. And that's it. Adding sound effects in Canva is a straightforward but powerful way to make your videos more engaging and professional. Whether you're making tutorials, social media clips, or just having fun, great sound design can really set your content apart. If any part of the process felt confusing, don't worry. It takes a bit of practice, but you'll get comfortable in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're working on or if you have any questions about using audio in Canva. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.